Gold against US dollar this week started the week with a strong bullish candle. A bullish candle suggesting a bullish breakout above 4314.36, suggesting further rise in value. But we can see the next day the price could not sustain that bullish breakout and the price returned back down. The market has reacted strongly and created a strong bearish candle, where the price has reached 4105.86 support level, stopped it, and the next day the price continued to lose its value, reaching 4021.78. From here, the price has bounced strongly, returning back above this area of resistance, then acting and then forming indecision candles in the next 2 days, where we can see the price formed on the Friday a bullish pin bar right here at the support level. Weekly time frame shows me a strong bearish candle with a large wick on the upper side, a large wick on the lower side, with a large candle bearish body, which means a strong selling pressure, but also the fight between the buyers and the sellers around this area of support. Monthly time frame shows me still strong bullish candle with a large wick on the upper side. So what we can make a conclusion in the next week, which is the last week for this month, could be also very important if the price sustain above this area of currently acting as a resistance 4105.86. It will be very important also the monthly time frame. The weekly time frame shows me we have stopped at this area of support, so it's very important that the price has stopped. The weekly did not manage to make a bearish breakout below this area of support, which means there is still hope for the buyers to put the price and return the price above. On the daily time frame, we can see the price formed first bullish pin bar at this area of support, second bullish pin bar on a Friday. So this is the signal for me that the price will continue to rise in value, and the next target is 4188.33. So this is the target. I am waiting to see the price, how the price will react on the Monday, and also I'm waiting for the bullish breakout on a Monday on the lower time frame, which means on the 4-hour time frame I need a bullish breakout above 4145.86, which will be a confirmation of this bullish pin bar formed on the daily time frame. If that happens, this will be the target where the price is heading, reaching higher price levels, where the next daily resistance level is the target for 188.33. So this is the target I am expecting that the price will reach the next week because of this bullish pin bar right here at the support level. So that's all for this week. If you would like to receive the updates, which means on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, how the price behaves, if there is any bullish or bearish breakout like in this example, feel free to check the link below in the description and join other traders if you would like to receive these updates during the week. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.